How new smart machinery is solving the road worker shortage. America's roads are facing a growing challenge. Roughly 40% of the country's 4 million miles of roads are rated poor or mediocre, while the construction industry is expected to need nearly 700,000 additional workers by 2031. With more than 20% of current road crews already over 55 years old, the question is no longer whether roads need rebuilding, but how that work will get done. That how is where new technology comes in. During a demonstration at Wirtgen's headquarters near Nashville, John Deere showcased a lineup of connected road-building machines designed to help crews work more efficiently. Since acquiring the Wirtgen Group in 2017, Deere has focused on creating equipment that can communicate and operate together to improve productivity. First up was the Wirtgen W210XF, a milling machine that removes old asphalt and concrete before repaving begins. Equipped with a system called Mill Assist, it uses real-time data to optimize performance while reducing fuel consumption and emissions. Rather than relying solely on operator judgment, the machine continuously adjusts to improve efficiency. Next was Deere's Vogele Asphalt Paver, responsible for laying fresh asphalt. The machine uses automated steering, screed controls, and auto-track technology to maintain straight paving lines and consistent paving width. It also relies on Starfire GNSS satellite guidance to keep the paving process accurate and aligned with digital plans. Rounding out the lineup was the Ham double drum roller, which compresses asphalt to the proper density. The machine monitors compaction in real time, helping crews achieve consistent results without guesswork and improving the durability of finished roads. All three machines connect to the John Deere Operations Center, a cloud-based platform that allows contractors to monitor performance, track progress, and access job documentation while work is underway. The demonstration highlighted how smart machinery is helping address labor shortages without sacrificing quality. By combining automation, real-time data, and connected equipment, these systems allow smaller crews to work more efficiently on critical infrastructure projects. The next time you drive on a freshly paved road, there is a good chance that advanced equipment like this played a role in building it, quietly improving the process behind the scenes.